G'day Mad family and friends, George Samios here from Mad Loans. In this video, I'm going to talk about the truth. Who's better to go to, direct to a bank or a mortgage broker? I'll tell you everything. So point number one about a bank, cross-selling. Banks cross-sell. When you go there for a home loan, they're going to try and sell you as many products as they can. We used to have targets on this stuff. I used to work for a bank. So you're going to walk in there for a home loan, walk out with 6 different products. Credit cards, debit cards, insurance, things you probably don't even need. Point number 2 is when I used to work for a bank, it was all about chasing new business. Not about looking after your existing clients, making sure they're always on the best deal available. Point number 3 is how can a bank offer you the best deal for you in the market when they can only sell you their products? The best analogy for this is when you walk into a Holden to try and buy a utility, do you really think they're going to tell you that Ford or Toyota have a better utility in the market? Point number 4 is policy. Will the banks like you or not like you? What do I mean by that? Well, when you are self-employed, some banks want to deal with you, some banks don't want to deal with you. You had a better year last year than the year before. Some banks take an average of that, some banks use the most year in isolation. If you're casual PAYG and you've only been employed for 3 months, some banks will deal with you, some won't. How could you possibly know if you walk directly into a bank if you fit their policy? That is the job of an experienced mortgage broker, which we'll talk about later. Concluding banks, number 5, the personal touch. We've all been there. Remember ringing up the bank, waiting on hold for half an hour, finally get through to someone, it gets disconnected. You don't want to be dealing with that when you're trying to buy your dream property. That personal touch is everything in that critical moment when you want to know how long for finance. Am I filling the contract out correctly? Do you have a building and pest inspector or a lawyer that I can put on this contract? Personal touch. Let's talk mortgage brokers. Now I'm a mortgage broker, so I'm going to be biased here, but I'm going to tell you the facts. Most mortgage brokers are free. The banks pay us commission to do all the work. Now, it's not normally one broker. We've got a whole team behind us. At MAD, we've got 20 plus support staff helping us process our loans. We're not just one lender. We're available for our clients 24/7. You're trying to buy a property on Saturday, we're going to be there holding your hand, making it fun and a great experience. Other things, there's 30 banks out there, 30 lenders, 30 policies, 30 products. We're going to take you to the right loan who will approve you and ultimately give you the best deal for your circumstances. And then we're going to review you every single year to make sure that you're always on the best deal. When you sell and upgrade, when you buy the investment property, we're here. We're not going to swap banks because they've given me more money to go work for them. We're here. We're not going anywhere. We love what we do. Now, you don't have to come to MAD to get the best deal. We're in Brisbane. We do loans over the country, but there are thousands of mortgage brokers in this country. There are plenty of good ones. I want to finish off with one tip. When you pick your mortgage broker, make sure you trust them. Make sure they've got a good reputation, because you are going to be with these people every year, probably for the rest of your life, helping you make some of the life's biggest decisions, buying property, helping you build your wealth. So that's a wrap on banks versus mortgage brokers. I hope you got something from this video. If you did, please subscribe and like us so you can keep getting more content from us. Thank you and have a mad day.